Annyeong everyone. Let's eat our breakfast. My breakfast is biscuit only. I took shower first before I eat breakfast. Para naman fresh. I have a biscuit and milk. Sometimes I drink coffee, but now I drink milk. I try to speak in English because I want to learn English language. I want to be fluent. I want to be skilled in English language. And if I become a fluent in English, the next language I want to learn is Korean. I can I mean I can read Korean but not to understand because I'm not good in Korean yet. And I want to make myself fluent in those two language. But now I decided to focus on my English learning journey. I want to focus on study English. That's why I always listen to English songs and watching English vlogs. I love to watch the vlogs when where there this way where it's have a English language. The vlogger who speak in English. I love to watch that. And now because since I want to learn speaking English, so I decided to every time I vlogging, I I want to speak in English because here in our house there's no one who I can talk in English language because they're not good. They don't want to speak in English in front of them. They always saying to me that you're in the Philippines, so speak in Tagalog, do not English. But they don't know that I want to learn. I wanna make myself I wanna make myself like to be fluent in English. And since there's no help any source of here, or since I have no talking I have no talking here speaking in English, so it's my way to learn. It's my way to learn, which is I wanna speak in English in front of the camera so that I can practice myself to speak in the language that I want to learn. And know how here in our house to source of to be practice of the language that I want to learn. So this is my way to speak in front of the camera. Even my grammar is not correct or good, something like that, um, and accent and my accent is not good as well. No, I mean no one's perfect, so no one's makes perfect when it their first time. So who knows, someday soon I'm gonna learn or I'm gonna fluent in English if I do this every time or every day. It's my way to practice myself to speak in English. So I'm so sorry if I often uploaded which I speak in English because it's my way. I told you it's my way to learn, to practice myself to speak in English. Since here in our house, there's no how to talk going to talk in English because they're not used to speak in English. My family are not used to speak in English, but they can understand. They don't want to speak in English.